Mastering opinion adjectives. Spice up your sentences. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of adjectives, specifically focusing on a special category known as opinion adjectives. These are adjectives that help us express our feelings or thoughts about something, and mastering their use can take your English expression to new heights. So, let's get started. Opinion adjectives, as the name suggests, are adjectives that express our personal feelings, judgments, or beliefs. These can range from simple words like good or bad, to more nuanced ones such as beautiful, tedious, or exhilarating. For example, consider these sentences. 1. It's a beautiful day. 2. The movie was boring. 3. She is a talented musician. In each of these examples, the words in bold are opinion adjectives, expressing a subjective judgment or feeling about a day, a movie, or a musician. The correct placement of adjectives in a sentence is crucial in English. Typically, opinion adjectives come before fact adjectives. Fact adjectives describe objective details such as size, age, color, etc. For example, consider this sentence. She wore a beautiful red dress. Here, beautiful is an opinion adjective and red is a fact adjective, color. The opinion adjective precedes the fact adjective, resulting in a grammatically correct and natural-sounding sentence. When using multiple opinion adjectives, the order is generally subjective and depends on what you want to emphasize. However, in general, adjectives that express general opinions usually precede those expressing specific opinions. For instance, consider the sentence, "It was an interesting, thought-provoking lecture." In this sentence, interesting is a general opinion adjective, while thought-provoking is more specific. Therefore, interesting precedes thought-provoking. Unlike fact adjectives, you usually do not use and between opinion adjectives unless you want to emphasize each separate adjective. For example, you might say, "He's a kind and loving father." Here, by using an, you emphasize each characteristic separately. And there we have it, a deep dive into opinion adjectives and how to use them effectively in your English sentences. Understanding and using opinion adjectives correctly can give your expressions a lot more depth and precision. Keep practicing and remember, whether it's a beautiful day, a boring movie, or a talented musician, your opinions can now be heard loud and clear. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.